Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to close a form in Google Forms. If you have finished collecting responses and want to stop people from submitting answers, we will guide you through the quick and easy steps. Now, let's get started. On your Google Forms dashboard, we click the form we want to close. For example, let's close this contact information form. We just need to click this form. Once we are here, we click Publish on the upper right corner of the page. Next, we click that option. When we are here, we click Manage. Then, we click Responder View and select Remove Link. Once we are done, we click Done. Here, we will see the option to click Publish so that the changes will be applied, and no one can open this contact information form in Google Forms anymore. It is easy and simple. Now, the Google form is closed and will no longer accept responses. These simple steps help us manage our data and keep everything organized.